ready to give your YouTube channel a fresh new identity right from your phone. First, make sure you've got the YouTube app installed and updated to the latest version, and then tap on the app icon to open YouTube. Once you're in the YouTube app, tap on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open your account menu. In the account menu, select YouTube Studio. If you don't have the YouTube Studio app installed, you will be prompted to download it. Go ahead and download YouTube Studio and open it. Great, now that you're in YouTube Studio, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap on this menu icon. In the slide out menu, you'll see a list of options. Tap on Settings. It's located at the bottom of the menu. On the Settings page, tap on Channel. This will open your channel settings. Now select Basic Info, and you'll see your current channel name and description. To change your channel name, tap on the pencil icon next to your current channel name. A text field will appear, allowing you to enter your new desired channel name. Type in your new channel name. Once you're happy with your new name, tap on the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Remember, you can only change your channel name a few times, so make sure you're completely satisfied with the new one before saving it. And that's it. Your YouTube channel name has now been successfully updated from your phone. Enjoy your personalized channel.